DirectMed Parts and Service is one of the largest imaging parts and repair providers in the world. DirectMed supports multiple manufacturers and modalities, giving our customers a single-source solution for thousands of high-quality replacement parts. The engineering, inventory, and logistics teams work seamlessly to deliver system-tested parts around the globe, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We are one of the largest imaging parts providers in the world. We have over 60,000 GE, Siemens, and Philips MRI and CT parts in stock. So when you service or maintain multiple modalities and manufacturers, you're able to get all of those parts in one place while saving 40 to 80% off OEM price.
These machines have thousands of parts, so when a field service engineer or procurement specialist calls us, we need to give them immediate solutions and parts on time. We offer replacement MRI coils and repairs for all of the major manufacturers. And I'm very confident in saying that our coil inventory is the largest in the industry, consisting of several thousand items. MRI coil repairs can be completed in as little as 24 hours. Our engineers are available and happy to help you troubleshoot and diagnose service issues over the phone as needed. We specialize in electrical, mechanical, and cosmetic repairs, and we can provide loaner coils to minimize your downtime. We always work quickly to get your equipment back up and running as fast as possible.
We have in-house MRI and CT test suites, so we're able to diagnose and test parts on site. This saves the customer both time and money and helps us guarantee the reliability of the intricate parts we're distributing, repairing, and refurbishing.
Customer service and technical support is also extremely important. When you order from DirectMed, you will have a dedicated account manager who will support you from point A to Z. Our knowledgeable customer support and sales team can provide after-hour support, next flight out shipments, parts ID, troubleshooting, and technical support on every part we carry.
It's our mission to get your ready-to-operate replacement part as soon as possible to ensure your uptime. We can handle all of the shipping logistics. We utilize our innovative foam-in-place system to ensure your part is secured during its journey. We work with several freight companies to get you next flight out efficiency and have been known to go above and beyond when needed.
Our clients are all across the globe, so our account managers need to be available 24/7 for potentially urgent imaging needs. We offer a personalized sales experience with step-by-step solutions for your exact needs. We are troubleshooting experts with the knowledge, experience, and technical expertise to guide you as quickly and seamlessly through your part order as possible.
We understand the importance of honesty, integrity, experience, and expertise. Because our aim is to meet the client's needs as quickly and painlessly as possible with reliability, we've achieved a reputation of trustworthiness in the industry. Our customers can rely on our quality standards because we are ISO 13485 certified and available to you 24/7. DirectMed supports its customers day and night. Our number one priority is minimizing downtime on your diagnostic imaging equipment. If you need technical support or help identifying a part, please reach out anytime. We are here to help 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.